Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in this video, we are going to start our next chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 8, Birds. But before starting with the lesson, I would like to request you all to open your book, page number 62. Students, in this chapter, you will learn about appearance and features of birds, flight mechanism, their feeding habits and nests, and about different shapes of birds' feet. Students, when you wake up early in the morning, you hear different melodious sounds from your surrounding. And these are the sounds of chirping of birds. There are a variety of birds surrounding us. And you might have seen sparrow, pigeons, peacock, and parrots. So let us start with the first topic of this chapter, that is appearance and features of birds. Students, birds are of different sizes and colors. They are warm-blooded creatures with a backbone. Warm-blooded creatures. Students, what do you understand by this term, warm-blooded? So warm-blooded creatures are those creatures who maintain their own body temperature and are not affected by the temperature of the surroundings. And birds are warm-blooded creatures. Why they are called warm-blooded creatures? Because they maintain their own body temperature and they are not affected by the temperature of the surrounding. That is why they are called warm-blooded creatures. They are known as vertebrates and their body is usually covered with feathers. They have 2 wings, 2 scaly legs with claws and beaks, and most birds also have good eyesight and hearing. They reproduce by laying eggs. Now we'll see the next topic, that is flight mechanism. Students, birds have streamlined and light body due to hollow bones and lightweight beaks. They have wings in place of arms, which is designed for flight, and strong breast muscles to flap wings and feathers. All these body features combine together to help a bird to fly. Feathers on a bird's wing, it provides a lightweight but solid surface to push against the air. Students, lungs of a bird have air sacs which provide extra oxygen during flight. Now we'll see the next topic of this chapter, that is different shapes of birds' feet. Students, a bird's feet are shaped to help it move in its habitat. They also help a bird to make the nest, sit on the bark and hold the prey or food. Now we will see foot shapes and their walk. First is perching birds. Perching birds. Students, perching birds like a sparrow, pigeon and crows perch on branches. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back to hold on to a branch. They use their front toes like fingers and the back toe like thumb. Next is climbing bird's feet. Students, climbing bird like a woodpecker have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward for climbing up and down and sideways on tree trunks. Now the next is swimming or water birds. Students, swimming or water birds such as ducks and goose have feet with front toes joined by the skin. That is why their feet appears flat. And such feet are called webbed feet. Webbed feet work like pedals and help them in swimming. Now the next is about wading birds. Students, herons, kingfisher and cranes are wading birds who can walk in shallow water. They have long, slender legs with spread out toes. These spread toes help them to walk in water easily while catching the birds. Next is about raptors. Students, raptors such as eagles, hawks and vultures, they eat or hunt other animals. They need sharp hooked claws to catch their prey. And these sharp hooked claws are called as talons. Next is about scratching bird. Students, scratching birds like pheasants, hen and chickens need to scratch ground to take out worms and seeds. So, they use their strong feet to scratch the dirt and leaf litter to uncover seeds and insects. Now, the next is runners or strong-legged flightless birds. Students, runners or strong-legged flightless birds like ostrich, kiwi and penguin, they protect themselves by kicking with their powerful feet. Now we will see the next topic of this chapter, that is feeding habits and nest. Like other animals, birds also need food and shelter to feed, grow and protect their eggs or young ones. They eat a wide range of plants and animal food. Some feed on specific parts of plants, such as fruits, seeds or nectar. And many birds feed on fish or probe the mud for worms. Woodpecker. Students, woodpecker bore out ants and insects. They drill and cut out holes in the trunk of trees. Eagle. Students, they tear prey to enjoy their food. And they make big roomy nest at the top of a tree. Where they make their nest? They make big roomy nest at the top of a tree. Parrot. Students, parrots simply crack nuts, seeds and hard fruits. They generally don't build nest and they live in the hollow of trees. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds suck the nectar from flowers. They need a good solid Y-shaped base or cross branches of a tree to bring up their young ones. Now we'll see about the peacock. Students, you all know that peacock is a national bird of India. Peacock has a beautiful blue body and large colorful wings, due to which they are so unique. And when it rains, they dance spreading their wings, and everybody enjoy this. Now, students, I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Thank you.